Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity. This is another summer vegetable. Although, really, it's a fruit, it's avocado. Everybody knows that summer is really the best avocado season. Except, now they get shipped from all over the place, from, below the equator during the winter, so you can have them all the time. You folk that like your avocado toast. I do not like avocado toast. I'm not fond of just plain avocados, but this is absolutely delicious. It is a spicy avocado curry. It has avocados, of course. You make your own curry paste out of avocado, onion, scallion, garlic, ginger, lime juice, coriander, ground coriander, and fresh cilantro leaf, ground cumin, a little bit of salt, ground turmeric. You grind that all up in your blender. Meanwhile, you saute some tofu cubes, and when they get toasty, you add some sliced onion, sliced yellow pepper. Then you add the curry paste. You cook that for a little bit. Then this is the magic. I don't know what it is. Whenever you start cooking anything, and it's already really good. I mean, vegetables and onions and stuff, it's great. You could eat it just as it is. But when you pour in the coconut milk, I can't even, you have to do it to experience how wonderful it is. The smell, and then when you start tasting for seasoning, it's just the best. I just cannot explain it. You just have to do it. Do this recipe. It's easy. Sure, there's a lot of ingredients, but it's easy once you get them all prepped. You pour in the coconut milk. You add a little bit of lime juice and some coconut aminos. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes. You chop some broccolini, and you prepare some rice noodles following the package directions. And then you mix it all together and you get this wonderful curry that you then garnish with more chopped scallions. So let me get down in here, and I just basically poured the noodles in the bowl, and then that's against the rules. You're not supposed to spear your tofu. I have not mastered grabbing a bunch of noodles and spinning them around the chopsticks like you can spin around a fork. I was taught how to eat with chopsticks when I was a little kid, but I don't do it very often. Mm. That is so good. You can really taste the avocado. It really makes a difference if you're used to curries without them. Lime juice. Sorry. Broccolini. Mmm. Mmm. Oh yeah. A little bit of agave nectar to balance it all out. You can use any sweetener you want, but it does need a little because of all the serrano pepper. I almost forgot that goes in the curry paste. Recipe calls for a jalapeno, so I will leave it like that. But I wanted it spicier, so I put in a serrano pepper. So yeah, with all the spice and the tanginess from the lime and savoriness from the aminos, you need a little sweetener to balance it all out. I will have the recipe on my blog linked in the description. I will also link to the previous video. Regular uploads Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday. Community tab posts Monday, Friday. Occasional shorts Wednesday. Occasional cat videos Catterday. which is Saturday, for those of you who don't know. Thank you, as always, and I really mean it. Thank you for watching, especially if you watch till the end. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. And I'll see you later, guys.